Next Level Mindset bringing you another powerful and positive video. When it comes to reaching 500 subscribers, they don't tell you this, but you still have to have reached that 3,000 watch hours. Did you know that a lot of YouTubers are easily getting the subscribers, but it's taking a lot longer to get that watch time? Even on my channel, I'll be the first to admit, I'm having a challenge getting up to that 3,000 hours of watch time. I've gained this 500 subscribers. We celebrated that, but that 3,000 hours of watch time is so important. And as you do your research, you'll find out you have 500 subscribers. You'll need to have 500 subscribers, 3 valid public videos uploaded in the last 90 days, and 3,000 hours of watch time. They don't usually tell you that when they tell you that you're eligible. So when you reach your 500 subscribers and you become eligible for the YouTube Partner Program, you still have to have that 3,000 of watch hours. Most people won't tell you that. So how do we set up fan funding? You must already have or create a Google Payments merchant account before you set up fan funding features. This account will receive all the fan funding payments. YouTube is also allowing you to set up a greeting message. You can greet those fans when they come to your channel. Check this out. Did you know that there are those who are selling watch hours? I found this right here on YouTube. I was surprised to see this. This right here actually blew me away. YouTube is actually allowing this on their page. Never buy watch hours, never buy views, never buy subscribers. This was a surprise to me, but there are those who will sell you those watch hours. 2 reasons you don't want to do that. Number 1, it violates the community guidelines. And number 2, they're not really going to be real with you. Eventually, YouTube is going to find out. Never buy watch hours, never buy subscribers. I remember when I relaunched my channel, it was a challenge getting up to those subscribers. We celebrated 100 subscribers. Let me know in the comments where you are with your subscriber count. I would like to know that. A lot of people tell you that it's not important. And when you reach 1,000, when you have 2,000 up to 100,000, maybe then it's less important. But when you're striving to get into the YouTube Partner Program, every milestone counts. And I was tempted to use some of those services, but I said, you know what? I'd rather do the right thing and do it the right way. That way I'm in this thing for the long term. And when it comes to reaching those 3,000 hours of watch time, one of the main things that has helped me is to continue to create content for my viewers, continue to create content, adding value. I used to think that I had to be perfect, but now I'm realizing you don't have to be perfect or you don't have to be the expert in your field. You just have to give value and you can reach that 3,000 watch hours. That's so important when it comes to reaching your 500 subscriber milestone. Yes, you will enter into the YouTube Partner Program, but you still have to have those 3,000 watch hours. And all that means is that you still have to put in the time. You still have to create content on a consistent basis. And as you go through your YouTube journey and you see other YouTubers on YouTube, they'll tell you it's a whole lot easier to get the subscriber counts than it is to get that watch time. And even on my channel, the watch time has been dipping up. Sometimes it dips down. I haven't been able to figure that out just yet. Let me know in the comments if you have a watch time that goes up and down. I'm not sure what that is. I'm getting ready to reach out to YouTube, the team YouTube, to find out what's really going on. 3,000 watch hours is a little difficult, but it's not impossible. We can do anything we put our minds to. And by the way, if you're new here or you've been here before and you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button and make it official. Let's stay monetized together. We'd love to have you here in the family of Next Level. There are so many content creators who are doing this thing in and out, getting burnt out. There's a way that you could avoid that. As a matter of fact, check out this video right here, how to avoid being burnt out, what they don't tell you. I think that would be a great video for you to watch next. So check that out, enjoy that. Thanks again to my subscribers and returning viewers. I would not be here without you. Hit the like button, share this on your way out. Subscribe if you haven't done that. Stay blessed, stay positive, never give up whatever you do. Until next time, I'll see you on the next level. Peace.